Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Students, today we are going to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. Pair of linear equations in two variables. Before going to this chapter, just recollect the knowledge of previous classes, that is class 8th, 9th. What is a linear means? Linear means the degree 1. Linear means degree 1 or highest power is 1. Okay, that is, we know linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Linear means degree 1. Equation means that is equal to symbol. Okay, equation is what is that is equal to something. Now degree 1 and equation we have to write. That is, we know ax plus b. Ax plus b is equal to 0. This is also called, algebraic expression. What is this one? Algebraic expression. Here, linear equation in one variable. What is the variable here? X is the variable. X is the variable. What is a and b? A comma b are constants. A comma b are constants. Or you can say real numbers. Ax plus b is equal to 0 is a linear equation in one variable. The variable is x and a and b, what is here? Constants are real numbers. That is, you studied in class 8th and 9th also. Now, linear equation in two variables. Okay, this is one variable. Now we'll go for the two variables. The linear means what is that? Degree 1 or that power is the highest power is 1. Now I'll write that also. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. One more thing you remember, children, in this Ax plus b, what is linear equation? One variable. A does not equal to 0. That is must. A does not equal to 0. That means if A 0, there is no variable. Only constant will be available. Okay, that's why A does not equal to 0. Now, linear equation in two variables. Two variables. Okay. That is, what is the variable here? X, and one more is what is? Y. X and Y both are variables. Okay. And A, B, C. These are A comma B comma C belongs to real numbers. That is real number. R means what is real number. Then here one more is condition here. A does not equal to 0 and B does not equal to 0. That is must. A does not equal to 0. B does not equal to 0. If A 0 something, B 0, suppose A 0, then there is no X. Only again like one variable. If B, Y is 0, then again there is no B term. That Ax plus 0. Again it's one variable. That's why A does not equal to 0. B does not equal to 0. This is a linear equation in two variables. Okay. Now, what is given actually here? Pair of linear equations. What is the linear equation? Meaning, you know now. This is Ax plus By plus C is equal to 0 is the linear equation. Now, we have to know pair. Pair means what is 2. Pair means what is 2. Pair of linear equations in two variables. That we have to write. Pair is 2. Linear means degree 1. Equation means that should be equal to something. 2 is 2 and variables what is here? X and Y. X and Y. 99% we are using only variables X and Y only. Sometimes we are using like S comma T, sometimes M comma N, sometimes we are using P and Q also. 99% we are using only X and Y are the variables. Clear understanding what is the chapter meaning now? Pair of linear equation in two variables. Pair means 2. Linear means degree 1. Equation means that should be equal to something. In 2 means that is again two variables. What are the variables? Two variables here, X and Y. Yeah. Now we'll go for the what is the general form of a linear equation to two variables is Ax plus By plus C is equal to 0. General form of a linear equation, one variable is Ax plus B is equal to 0. The same way, general form general form of a pair of linear equations in two variables. I will write now. Here two variables, what are here? X and y only. Same way we will write, we will change only coefficients. That is general form of a first equation. In the pair two are there, that is one. I will write a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. That is the first equation. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. X and y, what is? Variables. a1, b1, c1, again real numbers. Again, what is the condition? Same like this. A does not equal to 0, b does not equal to 0. Here also a1 does not equal to 0 and b1 does not equal to 0. Then again come to the second one. This is the first equation. Pair is the one completed. One more we have to write. What is here again? a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is the second equation. Now together what is called here? Pair of linear equations. Again, you know, same way again. a2 does not equal to 0 and b2 does not equal to 0. Children, here pair means two linear equations. Then both are pair of linear equation, two variables. What are the variables here? X and y. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. First one. And second one, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now I will write the examples here. Suppose I am selecting this one, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, one equation. That the condition also I will write here. We know a does not equal to 0, b does not equal to 0. One more condition also we have, a square plus b square does not equal to 0. Here also same thing, a1 square plus b1 square does not equal to 0. Here a2 square plus b2 square does not equal to 0. Now if you go for example, suppose I am writing like a linear equation, two variables, 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, and one more, x minus 2y is equal to 5. Linear equations in two variables, that is pair of linear equations in two variables. Here a, b, c, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. This what is here? a1, comma, b1, c1, a2, b2, comma, c2. These all are real numbers. That means real number, what is, we know already, we studied in chapter 1. Real number means rational number and irrational number. You can write any example like root 3x plus root 2y is equal to something like 10. One more, root 2x plus root 3y something 15. This is also one example, because what are the coefficients of x and y is real numbers. That means root 3, root 2 also real numbers. These are the examples of pair of linear equations in two variables. Now we will go for the solution of a. What is the solution of a linear equation in two variables? We will find out what is the solution. Pair of linear equations, also called simultaneous linear equations or system of simultaneous linear equations. Okay, that you have to remember. Simultaneous linear equations in two variables or system of linear equations in two variables. Now I will go for the solution. One solution, that is we know ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It's a linear equation in two variables. Okay, but is here only I am selecting ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Example I will write here 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. For this one we have to write a solution, because only one equation is given, that is a linear equation in two variables. How to find solution means you can assume value of x and y, something you can assume, you have to get 5, then it is a solution, otherwise it is not a solution. Suppose I am assuming x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Assuming, applying this 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1 is equal to, given that is 5. 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3. Here 2 plus 3, what is answer? 5 is equal to 5. Yes, both are equal, no? That is solution. What is the solution here? X comma y. Both x comma y, what is here? 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1 is a solution of linear equation in two variables. Suppose I'll assume other thing like x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. It's correct or not, we will apply this. 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 is equal to 5. 2 2s are 4 and here 3 3s are 9 is equal to 5. 9 plus 4, what is answer? 13 is equal to 5. Possible? No. Therefore, what is here? 2 comma 3 is not a solution. Not a solution of a given equation. What is that? 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. The 2 comma 3 is not satisfying the equation. But what is satisfying? 1 comma 1 is satisfying. Therefore, that is solution is what is here? 1 comma 1. That is, you can write it like order pair. 1 comma 1 is a solution of given linear equation. That is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That model example 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Suppose alpha comma beta, I am assuming. Alpha comma beta is a solution of this equation. That means what we have to write here? A alpha plus b beta plus c is equal to 0. It must be equal to 0. Then it is alpha comma beta is a solution of given linear equation in two variables.